Are we recording? Yeah, we're recording. Okay, quick video. Basically, it's a quick n8n application that basically takes any YouTube URL, transcribes it fully, so at the end you get a text document, and with that text document you could probably paste it into a text-to-speech model and get speech back without all the bits that you normally get with the transcribed, like the zeros, the noughts, the dashes and all that good stuff. So I'll quickly go through it and see how it's set up. As you can see how it's set up, it's quite simple. First we start off with a chat message. So we just come out there to get a chat message. Just type in chat. And then you get chat trigger. Won't let me do it because I've obviously got one on. But then you just do that. And it's a simple one, you don't need to do anything with it, you just open it and it's ready to go. Then what you would do, before we set any of this up, put your URL in here, then press execute, and that will bring you to this stage, which would give you the URL. So what we're after on this URL is basically this endpoint here, minus the yeah, we're after this little endpoint here, and that's basically the endpoint of the URL's ID, so that's what we need to transcribe it further down the line. So once you press execute, you'll get this. Then we'll go to the next step, which is an edit field. So you just go in here again, type in edit field, and away you go. It's manually mapped. Type in here video ID, and that's what you're after. Now in here you will need this bracket. So what I suggest you do is quickly just copy and paste it, put a ring round it, put it into a screenshot, take it to ChatGPT, get it to copy it, bring it back here and paste this in the expression. That's basically getting this information here, but we just want that last bit, but we need this part in it to make it work. Then once you've executed that, it will give you this expression at the video ID, and that's basically what we've been after. So, oh, my computer's freezing. Then we need what's a HTTP request. Now this one is going to go to a site that's free to use called Rapid API. I'll take you there now to make it nice and easy. So you go to this Rapid API. Basically what we're after is this curl here, and then we'll just copy it. Let's go back to see if we've got that page loaded. Hold on. We're going to Rapid API. In here, you just type YouTube transcribe. And that will come up with that. It's the wrong one, isn't it? My mistake. We're after the second one down, but it looks. Let's go back. I don't think I put YouTube in, did I? YouTube tran. Which one is it? Let's have a look. I might have to edit this. It was when I did it. It was. Is it that one? Transcriptor, that's why we're not getting it. Idiot, aren't I? So YouTube transcriptor. There it is, right at the top. Where's my mouse gone? Well, that'll take to that page. And that being right, you'll need that expression. Let me just check that. YouTube transcript. Yeah, and you'll get this expression here. Then you'll just press copy, and it'll just copy into your board. Come back to your page, just import curl, paste it in there, and it'll take you back, and all this will be filled out for you. And it's quite a simple page. You'll go down, you'll have the video ID, you'll just have to put a video, name it there. Then all we do is get the video ID from here and place it in there like so. Going down further, let's see if there's what else we need. No, there's nothing else we need. And then we just execute. Oh, what you do have to do is activate your account on here. So before you even get that, you might try and do it, but you will not get activated, so you have to activate it first. Can't remember how I did that. It's quite simple. It came up and told me I needed to activate it, so you just need to activate it. And it'll take you through that. So we'll go back here, execute that, and now we'll get all the information here for the output. As you can see, it's outputted all the information that we need. Then we need to go to an edit field. And that'll be edit field 1, so we'll just go to that one there. And then we've got to do the transcribed text. It's quite a simple one. I believe it's just simply description, is it? Or transcription? Which one was that one? Nope, it's not that one. Back out of here. JSON transcription. Ah, I forgot where my head was then. It's here. So you go to the edge. I wonder I couldn't see it. It was hidden. Go there. Open that back up. But you don't have to open that back up. Just click on that, drag it in there. As you'll see, I'll put 2 in there for you. So you'll see 2 now. And it'll just do that, and it'll get that text there. Easy peasy. Press execute, and away you go. So what we need next is a code node. You do need to get the equation for this to separate it all out, because you need to put it into chunks to make smaller bytes later on down the line. So what you need to do is get this equation again, just take a copy of it like so, screenshot it, take it to ChatGPT, ask it to copy it so you can paste it, bring it back and pop it in there. It's a JavaScript, you only need to run it once. It's quite easy, this flow. Execute. Then what we need, in conjunction with the chat LLM, we need to do a loop, because what happens is that's just broken into chunks. So we need to split those chunks up, and the LLM model won't do that, I'll just do it in one. So we have to put a loop in. It's a basic loop, put that there, bite size 1, but don't execute it just yet. Then attach it to the loop node down here and get a chat messenger model. So it's OpenAI, so you'll go here, OpenAI, and it is message assist. Is it messenger model or messenger model? Yeah, it's messenger model, and that will get there. Open her up, set your account up. Now, most people that are looking at n8n will have set their account up. If not, you'll have to look on some other ones. I'm not going to go through it here. It's a simple process. You get an API key from OpenAI and whack your credentials in there. And the good thing about n8n, it stores them for you, so you only ever have to do it once. Resource, it's going to be a text. Messenger model, we're using GPT 4.1 mini. Now, it's a simple prompt I've put in here. I just put please transcribe, dead simple. But what then you'll need is, obviously you see the highlighted code there, just get the transcript and pop that down there. Job's a good one. Then also we'll need a user role. And the prompt, you don't need a big prompt for this. I just put a couple of attempts in to get it right. And this one does it right, so just copy this, basically, get it highlighted, screenshot it, take it to ChatGPT and do it. It's very, very simple prompt, but does the job. And that's all you need for that. And once that's done, bosh, it will give you this here. Then what you need to do is, once you've got that message in there, you get your little loop here, loop it back round. Then, without doing anything else, put your URL back in here. Then set it off. And then it will loop round here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever time, how big your transcript is. For this one, it's done it 4 times. Once that's done, we then go and create a code node again. Very simple again, but you do need this code, so I'll highlight it, make it big for you. Again, screenshot it, bash it away, and it's done. Execute, and then we'll get it all now in the shot that it needs, so it's all now text. So from getting that text, it's in stages. So we need to now aggregate it so it comes into one consolidated text file. So you just get an aggregator, content, execute, job done, that easy. I'll just show you where the aggregator is so you know what it is. Just put aggregating, bosh, get that. You don't have to do what with it, it just does it itself. Individual field, and then just put input name. Or just put content. I think we need to get rid of that, don't we? Don't need that. Then obviously need a text document. Google, create a document. Lost my words then. This one's a little bit tricky. You do need the access to Google's API. So when you're doing it, you get to this page here. Showing you my stuff here, I probably shouldn't show you that, but it's a secret key. You need to basically put your client ID in there, your secret key in there, and if you haven't already, you need to authorize this callback URL. But that'll be on the same page as the secret key and everything else. There's lots of videos online to do that. Once you're connected, put it into your drive, make yourself a little drive folder or a document folder, whatever you want to do it. It doesn't really matter, I just put it into any old folder, just called it docs folder. And then just put a title on it, YouTube transcript, so I know what it is when I want it. But to be fair, that'll be the first one you see. Then you execute that, and that's that one done. Then we come to our last one, what will be an update module. So you just go down here. This one can be a little bit trickier. You've got your credentials already set, operations update. You need the doc URL, so that's the JSON URL. JSON ID, which is this one here, I believe. That one there. Then this one, you need to get it right as well. You need the expression correct. So you need this expression again, which you've already had. I believe it's in edit, but just snap it, highlight it up, take it to ChatGPT, get it copied, bring it across, make sure it's body. At the end of specific position. It's very straightforward as this. And then execute, and then what you end up with is your text document. Like so at the end. Which gives you everything you need. Nicely able to just then go to whichever text-to-speech model you want and bop it away. I might make a video where I automate it to text-to-speech, but that'll be for another video. I hope you found that interesting. And thanks for watching. This has been my first YouTube video. It's probably a bit naff, but never mind. Cheers anyway.